Okay, Darcy. This is a test drive. This is number one.
That's right, phase one.
Kitty, that's flip. Number two, seal. That goes crazy. Got a ball on his nose. Oh! Spinning around. And then move this one. This is a fish that will eat its prey. Watch this.
Yeah, why the certain teeth?
Oh, foiled. Try again.
Aw.
Here we go. Yeah, I think you got that.
We could do that.
Then we've got these two guys here. These two guys are willing to dance with each other. Watch this. Oh yeah, boogie. Give me some of that boogie. I need a key. And
You could absolutely get a
after
song.
the boogieing guys, we've got the cowboy with whip.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that guy. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, yep, the fish has been captured. Where did you juice this guy up? Oh, right here? That's impossible.
No? Oh, it's on the outside. Oh, wait, no. There it is, in front, underneath the handlebars on the other side.
Oh, damn. Okay, and last, we got the guy on the moped. There we go. Alright. We got Michael, we got Dad. Catherine, Mom, say hi. Uh-huh. Oh, wow. Wow. Mom, you're saying hi.
Hi, Dar.
Yep. And bow.
Hi, Darcy.